Hey there, promo code or deposit bonus, which should you use? Let's compare. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Promo codes, they are flexible. You can use them for free bets, spins, cashback or special events. Great if you like variety. Deposit bonus, this is usually bigger, doubling or even tripling your money. Perfect if you want maximum balance right away. So what is the best strategy? Use them both. Enter a promo code when registering to unlock a deposit bonus. You can see the tutorial at the beginning of this video about how to do it. That way you combine the benefits and don't miss out. So it's not about choosing one, it's about stacking them smartly. And if this video was useful, put like, subscribe and see you in the next video.